Yes, Rabbi, I had a couple.
Please go ahead.
It was about this past parsha and this week's parsha.
Go ahead.
When Laban chased after Jacob to chase him down, and when Hashem came to him and told him in the dream, don't speak to him good or bad.
Yes.
He still talked to him. I don't remember the correct words that he told him, but
yes.
Was he ever punished for that, or was there any other other books that says if anything happened to him for speaking to him?
For speaking to him, so I mean, so first it's a very good question. So let me take a step back, right, and say like why would Hashem say don't say anything good? Okay, so he wants to bless his son-in-law. He wants to bless his children, his grandchildren. What is the problem? He only wants to speak good. Bad? Okay, we understand. Don't curse him. Don't insult him. We understand. So, but the answer is it's very interesting answer to this question. So all of this good when good in double quotes, when these evil people do, it's bad, it's negative for a righteous person. So whatever these wicked people bless you, so try to like stop them. So I don't need you. I mean, of course, don't insult them too much. So don't say I don't need the blessing, but basically say no, thank you very much. Have to go. Somebody call my wife, call me, my dog call me. Stop it. I don't need your blessings. You understand? But was he punished? Of course he was punished. But that's the way. We have to understand. That's the way of the wicked person. That's the difference between righteous person and a wicked person. So Hashem told you not to do something, right? Okay, you got the point. You try not to do something like from the best of your ability. But if Hashem would come to me and say me something, I mean, I think I would always remember all day of my life. But this wicked person, it happened to me last night. Hashem came to him, and he's impure. He's a wicked, impure person. So Ramban said, so why Hashem came into wicked, impure person? Like, how is it possible? We said that a prophet only could be, there must be a righteous person, right? A righteous and pure person. They have to purify themselves and stuff like that. So Ramban explained, in honor of Yaakov. So in honor of holy Yaakov, so this Hashem had to stop this Rasha. But they, as we know, people have a freedom of choice. So he exercised his freedom of choice. It was told to him by Hashem, not by me or somebody personally. Hashem told him not to talk to him bad or good, like meaning mute, right? That's it. And what did he do? He came, he rebuked Yaakov, and he said, you actually stole my daughters from me, my children. This is my children. This is my everything is he as mine. But I'm so gracious. I'm going to give it to you. It's like these wicked people. Like it's like Democrats. Like they turn everything upside down. Not only Democrats, these modern liberals. You understand? So that's, of course, he is going to get punished. Hashem gives you instruction to do exactly opposite. Yeah, just expect the punishment. But it was. You said why it's not mentioned explicitly. He did much much more like severe sins, meaning all of this abuse of Yaakov for so many years, cheating him out of his salary and stuff like that. So it's I would say maybe it would be minor. No, I mean, of course, not to listen to Hashem, it's not minor, Chas v'Shalom, but it's one of the many things that he's going to get punished. Okay.